going to cut my hair, but I'm also going to dye it. Alright, so...
Give me a shank! Shank!
Like that.
Oh my god, babe. You can't bail out. You can't bail out.
It looks bad. What is your face?
No, just keep cutting it.
At least it's the music.
Oh my god, my wrist actually hurts. You
Yeah,
take over. What a mess. This is already fallen. Oh, it looks really good.
Alright.
This is not going well.
Please.
What's happening up
Just
there?
Give me the camera.
Oh, Jesus.
Give me the camera.
Does the back look worse than the front?
Yes.
Wait, let's just get rid of that. Okay. I think still you need to go in with this and then go in with that. No? Alright. Oh, that looks so good! What would I do without you?
You have cut one bit incredibly, like,
Shorter.
there's a bit that's about a finger short
Mhm.
of this though, so I don't... You can cut it, but when you put your hand up, your hand is like all at an angle.
I'm very scared to pull this out. Should we look at what it is?
So put it...
It's like pretty random, but
It's choppy.
I'll never wear a ponytail again. It really shows. Oh my god, what?
So not straight though.
Yeah, I can't because
You're not tall enough for a
I'm
start,
not
I don't
tall
think.
enough.
And also,
I
like,
need a ladder.
you want as minimal off this as
Yes.
possible.
Yeah, I think it's
to
short
keep
enough.
To keep it all straight.
Oh.
Yeah. Because you've got like length. to
Okay.
it. So do you want me to munch that?
Yeah.
Just munch it.
Sorry. Oh, you gotta go down. Do you want me to go up?
Do you want me to go a little bit further down with the munching?
A little bit, yeah.
Like there.
Yeah. Then pull it up and. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, you know what I think would be better, babe? Is if you spread it kind of out, or take some pieces at a time. Ah!
I think you should
I'd do
munch.
that.
They're not the best munches. I promised myself I wouldn't do it this time. Oh god. For a second there I thought that you had like real scissors and you were just going to chop a
No.
shit load. So,
How did you do it?
Don't cut.
Ah!
If you put your hair here,
Hmm. Yeah,
it'll
not
cut a lot.
good.
You need to like,
On the edge.
there is delicate, but if you put your hair like right in there, it'll take a chunk out. It's
Not
alright.
bad. It's not like
It
blunt.
looked better than the first time that we did shit.
Yeah, it's scary. Do you just go like this a little bit?
Kind of, but not too
Oh,
much.
what if I do?
I don't think you can point cut with those.
Oh.
Yeah, look. Well, just one more. I told
You
myself
love
I
helping.
wouldn't. I told myself I wouldn't do
You're a
it.
helper.
Okay, there's just one munchy bit that needs to be done.
This is really a thrill. This is like the greatest thrill I've had all year. Life with you is great. It's just.
It's just one bad haircut away from being perfect. I think
You think it's good?
that's pretty good.
Okay.
I like that.
Next step is to do this. I'm thinking that I'm not going to do it in elastic, and I might just.
I
do,
don't
like.
think that you should mess around with like doing it your own way when there's bunches of videos and every single video does an elastic. I'm just saying, I'm not getting involved. I'm just saying, if you're gonna follow an instruction, follow instructions.
Yeah, I don't intend to do that. All right, I'm going to do it. Why have you left me?
Oh shit.
I need music. I need music. I'm happier than ever.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
A few times.
You're gonna give a tip.
Yeah, and
give
then
a tip.
just cut it. Cut it. Keep cutting them. And as you cut, it'll sharpen the scissors. Remember to do the little tippy
smart.
bits.
So clever. Such a handyman. I thought that you were asking if they were gonna tip me for doing this.
Oh, like propina.
Yeah, absolutely not.
Good job, man. There you go. Newly sharpened scissors. Watch those cut through like butter.
Oh wow.
Look at that. Can't see past your fingers.
There should be people who do this professionally.
Do you want me to have a look at that? That's alright. Kind of.
I really feel like I do this blindly, and then when I watch the video, I'm like, why didn't I just like
Follow the instructions.
Well,
Look.
that's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, that looks
We're
nice.
getting better at doing that.
What's it? Okay, so I should take it out?
I mean, what else is there to do?
Let's take it out. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! We've got like 2 stages.
But that's what they said. You have to like take it all out and then you have to connect them.
Yeah.
That's what Brad Mondo says. Hey, Brad.
It looks so bad. It's because it's straight, right? Whoa! You see what I'm seeing?
Nobody wears their hair like this, though, in this
No.
outfit, right?
No.
Nobody just brushes their hair out straight and has it straight.
No. Okay. That's not.
It kind of doesn't go like it. I think that's fine. It kind of comes.
You think this side's
So it
okay?
doesn't like angle straight down, but then it's yeah. Like this, it's. Do you know what? There's only the odd thing that's kind of just, and it's not even a wrong thing. It's just.
They're even.
Yeah.
It's a good line.
I think that's pretty alright. You know?
Yeah.
It's pretty good though.
Thanks. Are you ready to dye my hair?
I'm ready to die.
I'm just gonna start timing it from when I finish.
Just like.
Yeah, I gotta hurry up. This is a look. It's not a good look, but. I do need a beard. Really getting in my eye. I think it's good now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Will you just give me a beard? Thanks, babe.
Show the people.
Show them what you've done.
The Dos Equis with a straw. That's how we roll.
That's
Well, it said you wait basically an hour in total. It said 20 minutes, 10 minutes before 4 o'clock.
Maybe? Yeah.
So it's 25 plus 4.
Okay.
So I'm not quite sure how to explain what you're about to witness, but somehow or another dyeing my hair brown and then showering, blow drying it, and curling it seemed to totally solve the massacre that had occurred earlier in the day. So if you or somebody that you love has mistakenly chopped your hair off, just curl it. I swear it'll solve all of your life problems. Okay, thanks. Thanks for being here.